Those look like sparrows to me. There's two. There's one on the feeder on the left, and there's one on the right. You can't really see the one on the right. You can kind of see his tail. We'll watch them. They'll fly away. I set the bird feeders out at about, I think 1:30 maybe, and it's 4:30 right now. I'm so pleased to see. It is raining. Look at him just going at it. There is one on the other feeder, but you can kind of see him. Oh, they flew away. Isn't that wonderful? I didn't put anything out on the bench just yet. The bench is right there. And, yeah, look at him go. I did have to, the spot that I put it, it'll be interesting. I'm going to wait to see. We're going to get some squirrel antics for sure. And hopefully they don't break them.
Okay, I'm going to drop the pasta.
Sawyer's dropping the pasta. He's making dinner for us.
Nothing fancy.
Nothing fancy. I wanted butter beans, tofu, corn, and angel hair pasta. And the man is delivering. Yay! We're discombobulated in here. There's a lot of...
Where'd it go?
well, you know what? I moved, so nobody saw that. Okay, I hope you guys are having a good Tuesday. You guys saw that bird fly away. We are going to eat our dinner, and I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to be streaming or not. Oh, look at that. You can see that right there. That's the ice that we dumped out. We're going to enjoy this rainy Tuesday, though, and our day off together. And we'll see if I work tomorrow or not. I might need some more mental health resets. Thank you guys all for tuning in, and I will catch you on the flip side. I don't know. What the heck?